Hello, my name is Artur Terabelian. I'm a 9-year Army veteran who proudly served our country as an airborne ranger. I have been battling for custody of my son in the family court system for over 4 years. 3 years ago, when my son was a toddler, he was returned to me by his mother with bruises throughout his little body. I contacted my attorney, who recommended that I report this issue to Child Protective Services of Clark County, Nevada. I also contacted the police department and filed a report with both agencies. In addition, I took him to the emergency room at Summerlin Hospital and to his pediatrician. All the medical professionals and the police that assessed my son determined this was indeed an abuse. Unfortunately, CPS did not agree. Ms. Keisha Earhart, a family service specialist from CPS, responded with the following statement, and I quote, "At this time, I have identified no safety threats per Nevada safety assessment by which Child Protective Services is guided," end quote. If you look at the date-stamped photos, you will notice the multiple bruises throughout my son's body. The same incident occurred 2 years later. Once again, I reported this issue to CPS. Donna Ford, Family Service Specialist Supervisor, responded, and I quote, "There does not appear to be any safety issues to the child," end quote. I believe that if the Child Protective Services had properly reported this abuse to family court, the primary custody of my son would not have been awarded to his mother, and she would not have been granted permission to move over 1,200 miles away with my son. In my opinion, Child Protective Services is a dysfunctional entity. If the roles were reversed, I was the abuser, I would have lost my son and visitation. I believe that Child Protective Services has not only failed me, but more importantly, is failing my 5-year-old son. I approve this message to address how inadequate Child Protective Services and family court system is being managed. What would you do if this was your child being abused? Please share this message if you agree that this system needs to be repaired.